Today I'm having a look at the Isuzu MU-X. It's a 7-seater, so let's find out how good it is as a baby drive. In the MU-X there are no top tethers or ISOFix in the third row, so I couldn't install anything back there. In the second row there's top tethers on the back of all 3 seats. They are within plastic guides, but when that third row seats are folded down you can't actually access them. The top of the third row seats kind of get in the way, so you need to lift those third row seats up in order to access the top tethers. There's also 3 ISOFix in this central row, which is fantastic. They're not within plastic guides and they are a little bit tricky to attach, but it's still great to have 3 in there. Now I found that I could fit 3 child seats across the middle here, but not using the ISOFix. I had to use the seat belts and top tethers to fit them. So to access the third row seats you do have to uninstall a child seat though, because the seats have a tumble system, so they come forward like this in order for you to climb through to the third row seats. So in the back here the seats are nice and comfortable. I'm 162 centimetres. I've got a good amount of headroom and a good amount of leg room. However, I do know I tried a 6-foot passenger in here and they couldn't fit. In the third row there's a cup holder on either side. They will hold a reusable or disposable coffee cup, but they move about a bit. And I did find a place that would just about fit a large refillable water bottle. In the second row of the MU-X, storage is minimal. There's a fold-down armrest in the central seat back that will hold a reusable or a disposable coffee cup or a 600ml, but nothing larger fits in there. They're odd shapes. There are mat pockets in the back of both seats. They will hold an iPad but not conceal it. The door bins are small in the back. They'll only hold a 600ml and that does rattle around a bit. Storage in the MU-X is pretty minimal for a car of this size, I'm surprised. There are 2 cup holders here, but they're only big enough to hold a reusable or disposable coffee cup, or a 600ml fits in there but rattles around. I actually found nowhere in the MU-X that would fit a large reusable water bottle. In front of the gear lever is a tiny well where I could put my phone, and the USB charging points are there too. The central console storage box is small as well, and it's not lined. There are 2 glove boxes, but that's probably because they're so small. I could get my wallet in there with the manual. The door bins are also small. I could get my iPad in there, but I could only fit a 600ml in there and that rattles around. There is a glasses case in the ceiling and that is lined so your glasses are protected a bit. The MU-X also has my favourite cup holders, the dashboard ones. They will hold a reusable or disposable coffee cup. And there's also a little storage box on the dashboard here. Let's see what we can fit in the boot of the Isuzu MU-X. When using all 7 seats, the boot will hold 5 shopping bags, or the Mountain Buggy Nano compact stroller and 2 shopping bags. When only using 5 seats, the boot will hold 17 shopping bags, or the Mountain Buggy Duet twin stroller and 6 shopping bags, or the Britax Flex tandem stroller and 9 shopping bags, or the Mountain Buggy Urban Jungle single stroller and 8 shopping bags, or the Mountain Buggy Nano compact stroller and 14 shopping bags. The MU-X is a beast to drive. I find it enormous and the engine is quite loud, but it's really enjoyable as well. The media system in the MU-X is really basic. It doesn't have Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, although it is easy to navigate because it's so simple and basic. When I put it in reverse, the camera screen is of a good size, however the image is really pixelated and a bit milky. So to sum up with the MU-X, it is a great car and I've really enjoyed it as a family car this week. Yes, the media system isn't great and there's no top tethers or ISOFix in the third row, but there are 3 ISOFix in the second row and we've just really enjoyed it. It's been great. Read the full reviews at BabyDrive.com.au.